Welcome to Impact Tech Studio, where we feature founders creating real impact. I'm Arjun, and today we talk with Jilika, founder of Cognity, an AI-driven platform changing how special education supports neurodiverse children in India. Let's hear her inspiring journey and vision for inclusive education. Right. So, Jilika, hi. Welcome to Impact Tech Studio. I'm Arjun, and I represent Idea Shacks Ventures as well as Impact Tech Studio, which is a part of the Idea Shacks ecosystem. Okay, so we
Right.
co-working spaces. Now we also help impact startups to get discovered in the right ecosystems, right? So the value of Impact Tech is not only as a media platform, but also we are spreading your message to the right audience over a period of time. So this relationship becomes something of we becoming your extended team, right? Over time. So this is where we are. So just give me an understanding of what is Cognity, if I'm pronouncing it correctly again.
Yeah.
What does it do, and what is the product that you worked on? So give me a story of the whole product.
Sure. So Cognity is basically SaaS infrastructure for schools and governments to screen children for school-going children for neurodevelopmental disabilities like autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and intellectual disability.
Right.
And like after screening, we basically automate all of the time-consuming parts of the special education pipeline because the special education pipeline is very cumbersome. It's very documentation intensive. So we use like our AI plus human synergy to automate all of these tasks so that AI does all the heavy lifting of automating the IEP generation,
Right.
lesson planning, progress tracking, measuring outcomes, and all of that.
Right.
While educators focus on what they do the best, that is, engage with the children one on one. And in no way we are trying to diminish the value of the educator, right? We are saying AI plus human, and AI without humans is, I don't know. I mean, it's not the best tool in education
Yes,
that way.
definitely not currently. Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're not like eliminating teacher from the teacher from the value chain. We're just enabling them to do more with less with AI.
Right.
So
Right.
that is what Cognity precisely does for systems.
Right. So give me an understanding
And
of.
also,
Sorry.
I mean, we help systems build capacity without them having to hire more people or investing in more expensive hardware, right? Cognity works on low bandwidth, like it works in low bandwidth, it works on mobile devices and whatever devices we all use on a daily basis. I mean, organizations don't really need to invest on expensive hardware to incorporate Cognity, and that is something we realized which is very important when you're working in emerging economies like India, right? So
Right. Right. So give me an understanding of when you say it becomes a help for professors and the instructors.
right.
So what is the product? So give me more understanding of how does it align with the professors and instructors, and what is the level of depth that your product provides, right?
Okay, sure. Happy to. First of all, the NEP 2020, the new education policy that was released in 2020, mandates the inclusion of children with all abilities, right? Inclusive education has become a norm and it's not optional. Earlier, special ed departments in schools used to be like the you know, ornamental departments of schools where schools could boast that we are progressive. Hey, we
Right.
care about children with all abilities. But now it's not like a privilege to have in schools, it's a must have now.
Right.
So I think the policy wise timing couldn't have been better. So how the product works in three major segments. The first is screening, right?
Right.
Because आई थिंक इंडिया में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अभी क्या है जो हमारा पीडब्ल्यूडी पॉपुलेशन को सर्व करने के लिए तो बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट वी हैव इज our government and the media is doing a fabulous job educating people about disabilities. We have never been more sensitive about disabilities and all the problems that we're dealing with. I think the society has never been more sensitive. But the problem is education is something tertiary and ongoing. वो चलता रहेगा.
Hmm.
But you first need to build avenues for screening and rehabilitation. Screening जिससे पता चले कि कोई disability की prevalence है और कितनी है actually में.
Right.
उसके बाद आप मतलब जाके rehabilitate करो. मतलब अब rehabilitation also exists across various spheres, right? Education है, healthcare है. अब किसी को 2 मिनट के लिए somebody has ID or dyslexia, okay. उसको आपको special education एक rehabilitation हो सकता है. Somebody who might have a traumatic brain injury, उनके लिए वही physical therapy, occupational therapy, and all of that. That is rehabilitation for them. So rehabilitation exists across a lot of spheres. हम typically 4 kinds of disabilities पर focus करते हैं. That is autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and SL. I mean, dyslexia also is one subtype of SLD, specific learning disorder.
Right.
And intellectual disability. These are the 4 kinds of disabilities we focus on. So we first help systems identify the students who have challenges, right? Because identification is a very, very, very big problem, I'll tell you. एक क्लास में इंडिया में एवरेज क्लासरूम्स हैव 30-35 kids, I think. उस 35 kids में से like, you know, 7 kids will have a disability. Like 1 in 5 is the actual prevalence in India also. So who are those kids? What kind of support do they need?
Right.
You have to identify that. वरना मतलब this number ऐसे ही एक एक क्लासरूम में ये कोलेट हो के it is 3.5 crores. This entire number is 3.5 crores in India right now. Actual number is very, very high because the problem with autism and ADHD and all of these neurodevelopmental disabilities is these are very invisible in nature. You will not come to know that somebody may have a visual impairment or somebody may have a locomotor disability. वो आपको सामने से दिख जाएगा that there's a challenge. But ऐसी disabilities में एक additional challenge होता है that they're invisible. तो बहुत देर तक identify नहीं हो पाता है. So mandatorily every student should undergo screening for this. I know मतलब parents don't take it very nicely आजकल, but we need to know what are the developmental challenges so far. So screening, we first screen the students for disability. We have built out a screening proxy within the product.
Right.
We are not here giving out diagnosis, but it's a pretty reliable indicator of what kind of challenges exist across a certain school-going population. And this is also a very valuable proposition for the governments again, because governments don't have exact numbers of these disabilities here. Governments के पास governments know कि बहुत बड़ा problem है. Governments know कि इतने से इतने बच्चों को हो सकता है. पर governments को क्या वो बच्चे कौन है पता है नहीं, उनको भी नहीं पता है. क्योंकि हमारे पास उतने स्क्रीनिंग के तरीके ही नहीं है. वी लाइक स्क्रीनिंग करने के लिए आपको आज एक चाइल्ड साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास जाना पड़ेगा, साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाना पड़ेगा. उसका भी वेटिंग इज लाइक अगर आप किसी अर्बन एरिया में जाओगे 6-7 months है. एंड द कॉस्ट टू गेट डायग्नोस्ड इज एनीवेयर बिटवीन 10 to 15,000 rupees. क्या मतलब वो एक हमारा इंडिया का अभी भी लाइक यू नो पर कैपिटा इनकम इज 1,86,000. तो 15,000 रुपए बहुत पैसा होता है उस हिसाब से हमारे लिए.
One thing that comes back from this discussion of yours is that identification and screening is the
Correct.
main part that becomes the quality that goes to the whole process of delivering quality in their.
Absolutely.
So
Right, right.
how do you train that AI model for filling up and giving you the identification? What are those ways that your product differentiates from an online app in the market? Give me an
Sure. लाइक ऑनलाइन एप्स में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जैसे आप अगर गूगल पे जाएंगे डू आई हैव ऑटिज्म आप ये सर्च करोगे आपको पता नहीं कितने सारे टेस्ट मिल जाएंगे. बट दे आर ऑल सेल्फ रिपोर्टिंग or they are like your parents reporting that, you know, oh, my kid may have autism, you know. But the problem is both of us reporting are the worst things that we can do to each other, because like I may suspect I have autism, I will search on Google I have autism, I'm going to like do those tests and like, hey, you have 60% chance of autism because you do this that. आई थिंक आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे मीमेफाई भी बहुत कर दिया है ये न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंस को. तो आजकल सबको लगता है कि हम हैं न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट. आई मीन दिस इज अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम ना, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ बायस इन द रिपोर्टिंग हियर. सो दिस आल्सो डजंट वर्क. And parents, unfortunately, they don't have all data points to inform. I mean, yeah, parents' suspicions can sometimes be absolutely right. Okay, And parents actually should be taught ki what risk factors are there, how can you observe the matlab, your child's development and everything. You
Mm.
there need to be, parents also need to have those data points. I really feel that.
Right.
And nowadays parents are aware, that's the good news. पर हमारे में क्या है, we make the child do tasks like verbal, cognitive tasks, behavioral tasks.
Okay.
यहाँ पे मतलब we see what is their cognitive and what is their behavioral ability looking like.
Right.
We don't make them report कि क्या आपको ये लगता है, क्या आपको वो लगता है. No, because
Right.
sometimes most of the neurodivergent people, including me, I mean, I don't sometimes have the awareness also to name what I'm going through. So
Right.
it's really not the right way to scream. At least not in our opinion, it's not right.
Right.
And then yes, we make the parents validate some of our findings, and okay, because again, like if you're screening all of these disorders, parent feedback is very important. But पेरेंट का फीडबैक वहीं पे लो जहां पर वो आपके डिसीजंस को इन्फॉर्म कर रहा है, एंड नॉट वो अपना बायस रीइंफोर्स कर रहे हैं. कई बारी दो चीजें होती हैं. या तो पेरेंट्स आर इन एब्सोल्यूट डिनाइल कि भाई कुछ नहीं है मेरे बच्चे को, ही इज परफेक्टली फाइन, ही और शी इज परफेक्टली फाइन, थोड़ा सा रवैया खराब है, नॉटी है बच्चा एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ऐसी बातें बोलेंगे एंड दे विल डिसमिस दैट. या तो देन sometimes parents like to play the sick game with their kids कि ये पढ़ नहीं रहा बिकॉज इसको यही सब है, इसको ऑटिज्म है, ADHD है, इसलिए ये ऐसा बन गया है. एंड दैट आल्सो आई मीन टू सम डिग्री इज नॉट राइट, बिकॉज आप मतलब फिर पूरा उसका एग्जिस्टेंस ही उस चीज के अराउंड कर रहे हो. तो मतलब दोनों केस में ना मतलब देयर नीड्स टू बी सम लेवल ऑफ प्रोफेशनल बाउंड्री दैट इज ड्रॉन. तो वी ओनली यूज parent reports to validate our findings.
Okay.
And of course, a third party opinion is always important because we need to know what the social skills are like. How is the child responding to, like, other people around them? How are they doing in school? Of course, child say we can get very primary inputs, but some secondary validation inputs we needed from the teacher or from the parent, and parent that way knows the child the best. And आजकल also मतलब to screen these disabilities, they should ideally be screened at a very early age, 2 years, 3 years of age. वो तो मतलब I think मतलब with growing awareness and at the time when we were growing up उतनी awareness होती नहीं थी, इसलिए आजकल मतलब you look at people, मतलब I am 24 years old, I have so many friends वो मुझे अब आके बोलते हैं भाई तुम्हें पता है कि हम न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट है, बिकॉज हमारे टाइम पे हमारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता था. हमारे टाइम पे नहीं पता था बाकियों को कि ये सब भी कुछ होता है. उसको सब हम फिर क्वर्क्स नाम की एक चीज में हम सबको इन सारे ट्रेट्स को डाल देते थे. सो आई थिंक स्क्रीनिंग वहां पे इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड गवर्नमेंट्स आर एक्चुअली शोइंग इंटरेस्ट टू build like states.
So, Jilika, tell me more about how your screening mechanism is. Tell me more
Sure.
about your screening mechanism. Okay, so how do you
Sure.
screen? How is it valuable to a parent, right? So the how of it, I want to know more about.
Correct. So first thing, we make the child do some cognitive tasks. Like I told you again, cognitive, behavioral, all kinds of tasks are there. So the data input is for the data for us to see is how this child thinks, how this child responds to situations, इनके आई मूवमेंट्स कैसे हैं, क्या ये एक पिक्चर पे फोकस कर पा रहे हैं, इनकी नजर कहाँ जा रही है. We see all of these things. They are like close to, I mean, we don't have as many data points, but softwares who are completely into the business of autism diagnosis or like something like an NDD diagnosis, they're close to 2,500 data points. We consider some of them to see how the child is working, how the child thinks, how the child moves, whatever. And then we ask the parent to validate all of our findings. हम parents से कुछ reporting करवाते हैं कि क्या आपको भी ये लगता है, क्या स्कूल में ये बच्चा ठीक से परफॉर्म कर पा रहा है, कि इसका ये मैथ समझ पाता है, क्या ये अपने फ्रेंड्स से बात कर पाता है, is this child able to maintain friendships, is this child able to communicate their needs effectively. I mean, we are just giving you very surface level of what we actually ask. And then we've built out a classical, so I mean, it's an AI recommendation engine, which makes the use of classical ML and knowledge graphs, which collates all of this data. And then we make sense out of, okay, this is what this child is. And these are the things that we have identified. This child may have is very good at, what these are the things that this child will have problems with, and then we give a personalized course of learning, and that's called an individualized education plan.
Hmm.
Right, we give the parent like a surface level of, not a surface level, but an in-depth analysis of, okay, this is how your child thinks. Okay,
Hmm.
as in all the SWOT analysis
Profile,
type
the
thing.
profile
And
of
exactly, we built out a cognitive profile. Correct. Cognitive profile banaya. हमने बोला that okay, your kid learns effectively through these things.
hmm.
And हमारे app पे we have built out games. Okay, we have built out games for these children to play so that they can polish their skills, right? Academic skills, functional skills, SEL, social emotional skills, and all of that. And the way they keep playing on that app,
Hmm.
जिस तरीके से वो खेल रहे हैं, पूरी आईपी मॉडिफाई होती रहेगी उस हिसाब से. जो टीचर्स को 6 महीने लगते थे जो काम करने में, वो 2 हफ्ते में कर लेता है अभी आए.
Hmm.
सो स्क्रीनिंग और आईपी जनरेशन को हमने ऑटोमेट कर लिया है सारे को.
Amazing. So
दैट
how
इज
so tell me what is the stage of the app? Is it in the market? Has it
Oh, it
reached?
is in the market. So it is in the market. We are doing paid pilots right now with schools and
Oh,
therapy centers across India.
amazing.
So 3 schools are locked in. I mean, 3 schools have active deployments ongoing. There are a couple of more schools we are onboarding across India and UAE. They're basically Indian schools in UAE. So अभी हम वहाँ पे onboard किए हैं उनको.
Right.
And yeah, I mean, by December, this number is going to touch 2025. Let's see. And
Right.
they're all private schools, therapy centers, non-profits हैं कुछ. And धीरे धीरे we are going to CSR, we are going to governments, we are already in talks with state governments to incorporate Cognity in the state education ecosystem
Right.
and standardize the IEPs as per
Right.
states. And in
Right.
fact, governments, and especially the government of Telangana is showing interest in building a disability data exchange within the state
Right.
to understand the real-time prevalence of disability.
Correct.
So, I mean, and real-time prevalence of disability can only be understood when screening paradigms become more robust. So, I mean, there's a lot of willingness within state governments also. Very progressive bureaucrats and ministers are supporting Cognity, and we are very
Hmm.
excited about what the rest of the year and the next year hold for us.
Right. So how big is your team?
Also, we are 3 co-founders, teen bhai, tino tabahi, and one product designer. So he's also the chautha bhai.
Okay. Okay. And what is your role in the organization? What do you?
Okay, so Shovik handles all the technology side of things. Falguni does design marketing. I do the business side of things. I go out, sell, get the money, talk.
Right.
So yeah.
Right. So what made you to move from neuroscience to a startup like this, which is actually a very applied kind of way of looking at things? So what motivated you to move into the startup world and not take research as your main thing?
Part personal, part professional, honestly.
Right.
So neuroscience research, I was into the space of developmental neuroscience. Developmental neuroscience is basically understanding how the brain develops.
Right.
Like, so usme भी I was working at a lab which dealt with neurodevelopmental disorders as a question. Ki how we could use stem cells to model these disorders
Right.
so that targeted therapeutics could be built. मैं एक ऐसे लैब में काम करती थी. But then I realized कि okay, to come up with any kind of tangible impact in this field, this would probably go on and probably my work might not even see the light of the day in my lifetime probably. So I think I wanted to do something where impact was more apparent,
Right.
where I could see impact in my lifetime probably.
Right. Right.
रिसर्च में क्या होता है, फंडामेंटल रिसर्च में स्पेशली 15-20 साल लगते हैं टू कम अप विद एनीथिंग ट्रांसलेशनल, एनीथिंग अप्लाइड. बट आई एम लाइक ओके, आई मीन देयर आर अदर वेज टू impact a lot of people at scale where the impact of your work is very apparent, because and you have some control over what you are doing. I really wanted that. So I think that is one reason I really wanted to pivot, because the ethos around my career was very simple from the very first day, as in I think 9th 10th grade में I was very very clear कि I have to be in the life sciences clinical space
Right.
because I liked biology, and biology, I mean, liking a subject like biology enables you to help a lot of people at scale because it is directly linked with health of people. So I thought कि इससे बेहतर तो कोई लाइन है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता इससे बेहतर काम कुछ. That's why I wanted to become a scientist, impact a lot of people at scale. बट वही है, फिर वो इम्पैक्ट का मेरे को समझ आ गया कि इम्पैक्ट का एक वो बहुत लीकी पाइपलाइन है. मतलब आप लैब में अपने रिसर्च किया, आपका पेपर भी छप गया, प्रोबेबली नेचर में छाप दिया आपने, सेल में छाप दिया, बट उसके बाद क्या वो काम ट्रांसलेट होगा? नहीं होगा. वो मोर और लेस नहीं होता वो.
Okay.
मतलब बहुत साल लग जाते हैं और बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स ऑफ फंडिंग लगती है. मतलब I'm like, okay, let's do something that has more tangible impact. And इसी lab में काम करते करते I realized I have autism and ADHD myself. मतलब क्योंकि when you read about this, when you start to connect dots कि okay, मतलब I might have something like this. So there were psychiatrists around me who helped me to get a diagnosis, and I realized कि okay, I mean, the thing that I felt for this problem all along, it was not just it was not just professional curiosity. तो उसी बीच, I mean, during college also, I used to work for a special needs non-profit. It was not with an intention, I want to do something for kids like me. It was that I used to be free
Hmm.
on those evenings. I had nothing to do,
Right.
and that place seemed like a nice place to go to and hang out. So that's why I used to go there. I used to teach kids, and I just used to shadow the special educators out there. But I really had fun doing that. I mean, there was I mean, I went there with no sense of, that I will start a company in this space, or, I really want to do something. I just wanted to be there and see what would happen. I mean, very honestly, I mean, my purpose of working at that non-profit was very, very, like, देखते हैं क्या होगा types
But
mentality. I went there.
lightning experience that you wanted to become a product for the right kind of
Yeah.
right.
I mean, exactly. I went there with no mindset of that kind at all. तो बट लेकिन जब मैं वहाँ पे काम करा, मैंने आई थिंक 8-10 महीने वहाँ पे समहाउ इंगेज रही मैं अपनी पढ़ाई के बीच में भी. मैंने रियलाइज कि ओके, यहाँ पे प्रोडक्टाइजेशन का बहुत जबरदस्त स्कोप है. बिकॉज आई यूज टू लाइक 10 महीना आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू engage with children directly because I mean, I was not an RCI certified special educator or any professional of that kind. So I was allowed to talk to the kids, but I was not allowed to accompany them during those therapy sessions or anything.
Mm-hmm.
But I used to chat with their parents. I used to chat with their teachers. I used to chat. I was just a chatterbox there because और कोई काम तो आता नहीं था मुझे. तो but honestly, I mean, I could see my entire childhood being replayed through those kids. मतलब same challenges that I faced in school. उस टाइम के स्कूल्स के पास वोकैबुलरी नहीं थी इन चैलेंजेस को आर्टिकुलेट करने की, इसलिए इंक्लूड कर लेते थे वो somehow. अभी आजकल तो बहुत बहुत वोक हो गए हैं सारे टीचर्स. अरे ये होता है, ये हाइपर एक्टिविटी के सिम्टम होते हैं, ये वो होता है. तो अब मतलब अब पीपल हैव द वर्ड्स, पहले नहीं होते थे.
So how do you
मतलब
build? So one more question. So how do you build trust amongst the people who you are doing pilots with, right? How do you build trust with those guys, right? The pilots,
बहुत
yeah, right?
बहुत ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट मार्केट है. बहुत ज्यादा ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट है मार्केट में.
How, what are the feedbacks that you're getting for the app? And what are you facing right now in terms of the challenges of doing the pilot with a school, and what questions are coming from there?
ओके, गुड क्वेश्चन. तो सबसे पहले आई वेंट टू अ स्कूल. मतलब मैं बड़े जोश में गई थी स्कूल को सबसे पहला अपना सेल्स का डेमो करने के लिए. स्कूल ने मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से बिठाया, कॉफी वगैरह पिलाई, बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रहे थे वो लोग. एंड दे लाइक, यू नो ये जो तुम कर रहे हो, ये 10 लोग हमें और दिखा के आ चुके हैं, तुम क्या डिफरेंट कर रहे हो. फिर मैंने उन्हें बताया कि हमने एक स्क्रीनिंग कंपोनेंट डाला है इसमें, हम आपका सारा मतलब इन हाउस हम सारा वी कैन ऑटोमेट योर ऑप्स एंड एवरीथिंग. दे लाइक, you know several startups in the past have let us down here. मतलब our data was like haywire and everything. How can we trust a startup that is run by kids, 3 kids?
Hmm. That might be also a bias that you have to play against, right? And you have to.
I mean, it goes both ways. It
Hmm.
goes both ways.
Hmm.
I mean, sometimes somebody is like, oh wow, young people are taking charge, but somewhere People are like, oh, जाके पढ़ाई पूरी करो अपनी, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? सो ऐसे देखो, दोनों तरह के लोग होते हैं, आपको मतलब हैंडल करने आने
So
चाहिए,
right
मेरे
now
को।
you're in the phase of building the trust with these guys who are doing public.
Absolutely, this is a trust oriented business.
So
This is
the day you get your first customer, you will be able to sell to the next customer very easily.
absolutely. I think the thing. I think the good news for us is that we were in this space somehow indirectly or directly involved in some or the other way. I mean, Shovik used to build technical programs for a lot of non-profits that were in the disability space. College when he built those programs for free for them. So I think Shovik already had an existing goodwill with a lot of these disability NGOs. My mom is a teacher herself, so she could refer me to a lot of great organizations. And I mean, because of my neuroscience background also and my interactions with a lot of clinicians in the past, I think that gave me the range and the insight to reach out to the ideal institutions that will accept solutions like ours, because there's an ICP, right?
Right.
There are a lot of institutions. Of course, आपका addressable market almost सारे institutions है, पर आपका ideal customer profile, I think वो narrow down करना हमारे लिए बहुत easy रहा starting में। मतलब हमें उतने रिजेक्शंस और उतने वो हार्ड वे वाली लर्निंग्स उतनी ज्यादा आई नहीं इनिशियल उसमें, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी वर अ लिटिल selective in
I
reaching
think
out
you
to
are in the
these.
process of go to market and
Correct.
right in the process of it. So once you
Correct.
the first customer to give you the monies, you will be the startup that has already found their acceptance, right? And that acceptance
Yeah.
and then move to you can tell people that okay, we have this acceptance. Now you can to look at this acceptance and move and take it because one person trusts me in the deployment of the app. Correct?
Correct.
Right. So amongst your product information, there are many supporters for you. So for example, I see Startup Accelerator, Chamber of Commerce,
Oh yeah.
Taco Bell Foundation. So how do they support you? In what
Of
capacity
course.
got the support? From name any 4, 5, which are the highest of the supporters, and tell me how they have supported.
Okay, so Emergent Ventures is one of Cognity's first funders.
Okay.
Emergent Ventures is this fund for Indians who want to build moonshots. I
Right.
mean, this is one sentence I would really use to describe
Right.
Emergent Ventures.
Right.
And I remember Emergent Ventures gave us like our first $10,000 at the time in September 2024, and that was the time when nobody wanted to touch us. They're like, okay, has potential, too early,
Amazing.
commercial proof leke aao. I think they are the ones. I think that the reason why Cognity is standing tall today is because of Emergent Ventures, because they put in their faith and their capital in us at the time when nobody wanted to touch us, I think. So yeah, Emergent Ventures helps young founders with capital who really want to build something that has the potential to change the society.
Right.
Second, I think Startup Accelerator Chamber of Commerce, they were running an accelerator called Saksham.
Right.
Saksham was an assistive technology accelerator that they launched, and ours was the first cohort. I mean, Saksham gave us a small check. It was a still 1 lakh rupee check, but the value add that they made, it was very valuable. I think they really helped us to understand the drill of engaging with the public and private sector, है ना? Because public sector customers have a very different approach. उनके साथ बहुत different तरह से बात करना होता है, different तरह से pitch करना होता है. But private sector का I think बहुत different तरह का approach होता है. I think Vineet and his team really taught us that art of talking to the first customer, building that trust. And I think Vineet from SSCC has always been Cognity's biggest cheerleaders, and he's helped us at every step of the way. Unko, like even today, like when we have any problem or we're navigating some phases of doubt, we call him very shamelessly, and he's the kindest and walking us through and showing us the path.
Right.
The government of India funds Meti Startup Hub and Nidhi SSP, the Startup India Seed Fund scheme. We are in the process of getting funds from all these places. So the incubators that have disbursed those funds for us, like those
Majorly
ecosystem
grants,
incubators.
right? So these are majorly grants to get you to the market and then
Correct. Actually, yeah,
but
Cognity
there
was
also value added value through the mentorship and everything that you get through that platform.
absolutely. So एक तो वो है. Baki, another platform that I am very, very grateful to is VHub and T-Hub. So,
Right.
I mean, T-Hub, our mentor, Sheetal Shrikant, I mean, we are very, very grateful to her. The way she has taught us, we like edtech sales overall, I think we couldn't have done this without her.
Right.
And our mentors at VHub, Vinuta and Sita and everyone. I mean,
Mm.
VHub, I mean, it's a smaller community there, but it's a smaller community of women entrepreneurs. It is where Cognity was first incubated at.
Mm.
But I mean, the value add that we've gotten, I mean, there was no way like a 6-7 month startup could engage with the government. But we have made sure that we did.
Right. So, what is your roadmap for the next 3 years, and how much of runway do you have right now in terms of cash?
Okay.
Yes.
My God. Runway के बारे में
Questions, because these are the questions that will actually give you the path that I think
absolutely.
people know about this. And
Runway for at least for the next 1.5 years we're sorted. We are doing okay for the next 1.5 years in terms of money.
right.
But of course, we are raising some more growth capital to accelerate the path for the next 36 months, as in
Okay.
the coming 3 years. I mean, 1.5 years और के लिए हम पैसा अब raise करेंगे ताकि because we don't want to like because sustainable growth, yes, it's very important in a space like, and I think impact mein you should chase sustainable growth over
Correct.
fancy unicorn metrics.
Yeah.
But I think the kind of work we are doing, there is some capital that is required in the R&D and everything. So I think that is the purpose we are raising more money.
Right.
And for the next 3 years, abhi to I think we are gathering as much commercial proof as we can, technical proof, ki okay, this works. Abhi hamara clinical validation is in the pipeline. Clinical validation, we are getting clinically validated at ICMR and CAT. ICMR and CAT is ICMR's Assistive Technology Research Arm at AIIMS Delhi. But they're spread across a lot of centers in India, but AIIMS Delhi is like our principal center we work with. तो वहाँ पे clinical validation चल रहा है. We are very excited about publishing the clinical validation results by the end of next year. Seeing
That will be such a nice validation for you, right? So that one
absolutely
validation plus the people who have supported you and given you grants, those become your pitch for that. If a group of people are mentoring you, it means that you had some value to be mentored, right?
I hope so.
But
I hope so.
yeah. So that is also obviously a positive that you can take these two conversations and also build your sale with it. And you must be doing that already. Correct?
Yeah, I mean, because like I think edtech sales, I mean B2B edtech especially, वो तो warm connects के बिना I don't think चलता भी है. Because अगर मैं किसी random school principal के पास जाऊंगी that okay hi मैं एक platform बना रही हूँ for special needs children आपके school के, क्या आप मुझे एक meeting दे सकते हो? They will not.
Right.
उनके पास
Discovery is also
200
do the conversation.
एडटेक प्रोवाइडर्स उन्हें हर दिन ऐसे मेरे जैसे 200 बंदे कॉल करते होंगे. वो क्यों मेरे को ही बैठ के टाइम देंगे अपना. सो आई थिंक वार्म कनेक्ट्स उसमें बहुत हेल्प करता है. एंड वार्म कनेक्ट्स हमारे मेंटर्स, ये इकोसिस्टम एनेबलर्स और बाकी सपोर्टर्स हमारे हमें दिए हैं अभी तक के सारे. तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ नाइस कॉन्वर्सेशन. का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट बहुत अच्छा रहता है बिकॉज ऑफ देम. एंड लाइक वही क्लिनिकल वैलिडेशन के रिजल्ट्स पब्लिश करना चाहेंगे हम. Getting more purchase.
So when you talk about roadmap, right? So roadmap is, you were talking about the 3 years roadmap that you have. So for the 3 years roadmap, what is your aim? What do you want to reach to in the next 3 years?
3 years, I think we have to reach to at least 100 schools across the across the geographies we are active in India, UAE, Oman. We have to reach at least 100 schools and have at least 3 state governments as paying customers. Like पूरे 3 state governments, मतलब pilot के बाद, मतलब having them to. I know governments का काम करना थोड़ा ambitious sound करता है because governments का काम करने के अपने कुछ challenges होते हैं जो मतलब I think you have to learn with practice. I mean, it's not impossible, but yeah, I think you need to know the people who understand the drill very well. Right? Because as startups, we are very accustomed to building and breaking things, doing things, मतलब बिल्कुल जल्दी जल्दी करना है और गवर्नमेंट अपने टाइम पे काम करती है. सो कई बार उसमें स्टार्टअप्स फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. कई बार उसके लिए हमें मना करते हैं इन्वेस्टर्स और बाकी लोग कि ये आपको गवर्नमेंट का काम करना नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज
there are some latency and
exactly there's some latency
you have to be ready for. Yeah,
you have to be ready for, and I think you can mitigate those threats with having the right public policy consultants and like people who have done this before working with you or for you.
So you have consultants to go into these kind of questions as well currently, or are you building them?
Yeah, I think we have some of them, but of course, always happy to build more capacity within the team to work with the government.
Right, right, right. So what is the dynamics amongst your team? So how do you young people work together and be productive every day? So what makes you guys align to the vision, and what makes you go as a team? Tell me that.
आई मीन ये अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो मतलब कई सारे लोग मुझे शायद कैंसिल कर देंगे, बट ये हम स्क्रम और ये हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू वाली चीजों को तो बिल्कुल नहीं मानते हम।
Right.
हमारा एक सिंपल मोटिव है, हमारा बहुत सिंपल फंडा है, 3 बाई 3 होता भाई, वी हैव टू मेक समथिंग टुडे, वी हैव टू मेक टुडे काउंट। जो
Right.
भी कर सकते, क्योंकि देखिए आजकल जब जब 3 4 लोग जब काम कर रहे होते हैं साथ में, तो देयर इज जस्ट sheer will and horsepower you have, except for
Right.
the technical abilities that all of you possess.
So
There's
how
just
did you guys meet each other? So how did you guys
so
meet?
Falguni is my classmate. Falguni is my classmate. She was my classmate in college. हम दोनों ने बीटेक बायोटेक साथ में करी है फ्रॉम शूलिनी यूनिवर्सिटी। उसका मेरा दोनों का काफी शौक था बिल्ड करने का चीजें, बट फाल्गुनी वाज मोर इनटू इट बिकॉज फाल्गुनी हैज वर्कड फॉर स्टार्टअप, शी हैड अ स्टार्टअप हरसेल्फ सेकंड ईयर में कॉलेज के। तो शी वाज her passion for the startup field was very evident. I was like somebody who was a passive observer, sidelines से enjoy करता था बिल्ड करना। मतलब मैंने एकेडमिक पाथ बहुत ज्यादा था मेरा, मतलब आई वाज डूइंग न्यूरो साइंस रिसर्च इन साइकॉम।
Right.
Mine was a very academic path, very traditional academic path I was following. मुझे पीएचडी करनी थी। तो
Right.
लाइक फाल्गुनी वाज लाइक वेरी हार्डकोर बिल्डर, उसका तो मतलब सारी ट्रैजेक्टरी उसकी स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में रही है। मैं थोड़ा बाद में आई, मैंने आफ्टर कॉलेज मैंने फुल ऑन मैंने स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम परस्यू करा।
Mm.
शोविक वाज आवर फ्रेंड्स फ्रेंड।
Right.
हमारे कॉलेज में 4 लोगों का ग्रुप होता था, शोविक उनमें से एक बंदे का फ्रेंड होता था।
Okay.
तो हम शोविक से उसके थ्रू मिले। We are like Shovik has done work in the disability space apart from his other commercial projects that he has done.
Right.
And Shovik, मतलब he's been a pretty good AI researcher. उसके उसके काफी papers थे and he really liked to build. तो हमने उसको बोला that you know we have this idea, तूने disability space में काम किया है, let's do something together, and he also agreed. And like end of 2023 से we were working on a couple of ideas. 2024 May में we went full time with the company. We are like okay, let's do this क्योंकि we know what to build now.
Right.
And I mean
Hmm.
अभी भी we are still figuring out, क्योंकि वो तो चलता ही रहता है, that's a
वो तो लाइफ का प्रोसेस है, वो तो एक
वो
लाइफ,
लाइफ का process।
it will keep on happening. So it is a good thing that it is happening. If nothing is happening, then you're not moving. So
Oh, absolutely,
so that's great, right? So
absolutely.
on the path, you have validation from the foundations as well as incubators and accelerators. You have that
Right.
validation. You also have validation from the initial pilots that you're running. You're also doing validation, a clinical validation from AIMS,
Yeah.
their agency, right? So I understand that it is, and you have been supported by a number of good mentors as well. So your product is sitting at a place where a lot of people are looking at you, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Right. So a lot of people are supporting you and the others are looking at you as products, right? And can we make a better product than yours? How do you deal with that kind of a stress as a team? The competition.
How to make a
How do you deal with competition?
stress.
How do you look at it? Right? Is there a competition in your mind, or there is no competition because we are on a different path? How do you look at it?
Okay. Competition है, वो हमेशा रहेगा।
Right.
हमारे competitors will always be a problem for us, but we don't obsess too much over it.
Right.
Our obsession is customer obsession. That is our only obsession.
Right.
कि
ठीक है.
हम लोग थोड़ा खेल की तरह चलाते हैं इस कंपनी को, कि ठीक है आज
So I also believe in the same process, right? So everyone is already differentiated because you have your own journey. It can never be replicated because the way you look at your product and the way somebody else looks at their product will always be different. So there is no competition. That is my belief.
हाँ मेरा I mean मैं भी I don't obsess
Never a
too much over it.
world. Yeah.
है कंपटीशन रहेगा, वो तो हर टाइम कोई ना कोई आता रहेगा मार्केट में, 10 लोग जाएंगे, 20 लोग और आ जाएंगे, सो आई डोंट थिंक टू मच अबाउट देम।
Right.
कर रहे हैं वो भी, जब कुछ आई मीन जब कुछ थ्रेटनिंग काम करेंगे तब प्रॉब्ली नींद खराब होगी, बट अभी अभी आई थिंक इट्स फाइन। अभी हम लोग अपने काम में ही बहुत जोन देने ऑनेस्टली, एंड हमें लगता है कि अगर हम कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं द मार्केट विल रिवॉर्ड अस, और अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर वी आर नॉट एबल टू सर्व आवर कस्टमर्स वेल, इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू अपहोल्ड द ट्रस्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स, वी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी इन द मार्केट. आई मीन ये मैं अपनी कंपनी के लिए बोल रही हूँ, बट वी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी इन द मार्केट.
Amit.
एंड देन what has to happen, it happens.
Great. So, looking at the pilots that you are doing and the clinical research that you are doing, so by when are you expecting the results to come out of the clinical research as well as the pilots that you're doing?
आई थिंक पायलट्स तो 3 से 6 months में चल जाता है पता हर इंस्टीट्यूशन को कि उनके लिए वर्क कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. And clinical validation takes time because again the clinical cohorts are way larger, and of course hospital settings move slowly, especially when you are at AIMS where there is already like a lot of clinical validation for a lot of other startups going on. So
Right. So, what is the
Um,
timeline for a clinical validation that you are expecting for your app?
so we were told 6 months, but I'm taking it to be a year, to be a whole year, because
Right.
again AIMS,
When did
there's
you-
a little. I think we are in talks to get clinically validated since July or August of 2025.
And once you got the whole process application accepted and everything moving forward, what was that month?
3-4 months, I think. Yeah, October में accept हो गया कि okay fine ये होगा validate यहाँ पे and everything.
You're expecting it to come by March of next year, that your validation is complete, or March or April maybe.
I think December से they will actually start the process.
Right, right. So
December mid से.
May, June will be the
हाँ, तो मई जून तक लगा के चलिए, फिर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है, फिर ये एथिक्स कमिटीज को आपको बताना पड़ता है आप क्या काम कर रहे हो एंड एवरीथिंग. तो
right. And
एक साल लगा के चलिए.
for the pilots that you are doing with two schools, I believe that was what you
3 schools.
3 schools. So how much time will that take? Any idea?
That takes 3 to 6 months. I mean, it really depends on how much time are we saving for the teachers, how much like how many IEPs were completed, the IEPs that have been generated by our product and all of that. I mean, there's a lot of KPIs that we sit down and narrow down with the schools की आपके स्कूल का क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, आप लोग अभी क्या मतलब आपके लिए सबसे बर्निंग पेन पॉइंट क्या है, उस हिसाब से वी मॉनिटर द KPIs efficiency. I mean, the pilot's efficiency in terms of KPIs, and of course, whether the school is going to use it further or not. I mean, that's also very telling in itself. Ki
So is there a push from the government to drive this into the schools? Is there a support coming from the government, or is it a mandatory action that the school has to do to move towards disability learning and neurodivergent to be helped in the school system?
I think NEP is mandated.
Or is it just an advice?
No, it's not an advice.
Okay,
It's not an advice.
amazing.
वो तो अभी schools के पास I mean to say इतना infrastructure और मैन पावर ही नहीं है ये सब करने का. तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा अभी भी schools are falling back. बट ये कोई सरकार ने कोई एडवाइस नहीं दी है, सरकार ने ये रूल बनाया है.
Rule बनाया है. It is a regulation, so they have to follow that regulation and they have to choose the best approach to deliver to that regulation.
करेक्ट. अब हमारा जो कॉग्निटी का प्रोडक्ट है, कॉग्निटी का प्रोडक्ट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू एजुकेटर को वैल्यू चेन से एलिमिनेट नहीं करता है. कॉग्निटी का प्रोडक्ट प्रोबेबली 10 एजुकेटर्स जो काम करने में लगेंगे वो 2 में कर लेगा. इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स अ को-पायलट.
Right, right. And you are open to. So one question I have for you: you are currently looking at reaching out to. You are currently looking at reaching out to customers, and you define the customers as established schools.
राइट.
If your customer is a village panchayat school
हाँ,
at scale, right? So you will have the whole of India present in it.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So
एब्सोल्युटली. हम तो
smaller cohorts of data points come from different locations for you in different regions at a smaller scale per SKU. Will you be open for that kind of?
एब्सोल्युटली.
Okay. Okay.
आई मीन हम लोग कॉग्निटी के लिए अभी भी बोलते हैं वी आर नॉट बिल्डिंग फॉर वॉशिंगटन, वी आर बिल्डिंग फॉर वायनाड, वी आर नॉट बिल्डिंग फॉर लंदन, वी आर बिल्डिंग फॉर लातूर. सो ऑनेस्टली इंडिया का जो आई मीन ये चीज है, इंडिया का जो लाइक टियर 2 टियर 3 टियर 4 जो भी है, मतलब एज वी गो फ्रॉम द बॉटम अप, हमारा वेल्थ ऑफ डेटा इन एजुकेशन और हेल्थ केयर बॉटम अप में ही है सारा. जो हमारे आंगनबाड़ीज हैं, आशा वर्कर्स हैं,
Correct.
इनके पास जितनी वेल्थ ऑफ डेटा है ना, आई डोंट थिंक और किसी के पास होगी किसी भी इकोसिस्टम में. एंड अगेन कॉग्निटिव AI डिपेंडेंट गेम है सारा. प्लग एंड प्ले हमारा AI
Need
डिपेंडेंट
a lot of data to actually make the model work.
करेक्ट. तो ये इन लोगों के पास मिलेगा. प्रॉबली किसी बॉम्बे, दिल्ली या बैंगलोर का स्कूल हमें पैसे जरूर दे सकता है, बट क्या वो हमें हाई क्वालिटी डेटा दे सकते हैं जो इंडिया की रियलिटीज को एक्सप्लेन करता है? नहीं, वो नहीं दे पाएंगे।
Right, right. So you must have faced a lot of challenges to reach this point, and you are obviously in the challenge place where you are actually going to face more challenges. Just not yet. You are, I would like to call it the honeymoon stage of a startup. You're still
राइट।
in the pilot stages. You are still doing the clinical validations. What do you think? What is the preparation you need, and how have you dealt till now with all the challenges that have come through? So give me some 2 minutes of an understanding of the highest challenge you faced till now. So how did you deal with it? Right. So how did you build resilience in your group?
आई थिंक बिगेस्ट चैलेंज आई टेल यू, वी स्टार्टेड एज अ कंज्यूमर प्लेटफॉर्म।
Right.
हम पेरेंट्स को बेचते थे ये डायरेक्टली। हम
Correct.
पेरेंट्स के पास जाते थे, एंड पेरेंट्स में ना एक चीज है, आप जब पेरेंट्स के पास जाओगे आपको सपोर्ट बहुत इंसेन मिलता है, बिकॉज एंड स्पेशली द मॉम्स,
Right.
बिकॉज मॉम्स हैव द पेशेंस टू लिसन टू यू, एंड मॉम्स मतलब मॉम्स वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है। आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट द नेचर ऑफ बीइंग अ मॉम ना, कि मतलब हर चीज जाननी है, हर चीज अच्छे से डेप्थ में पता करनी है, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ माय मॉम इज, एंड आई सी दैट मॉमली नेचर इन द अदर मॉम्स वी हैव वर्कड विद।
Right.
सो आई थिंक या आई थिंक मॉम्स प्रोबेबली ऑल्सो सॉ कि बच्चे हैं, मेरे बच्चे जैसे ही हैं, तो इनको मेरे बच्चे जैसे हैं, एज इन they get that motherly feeling towards us also. So they used to support us insanely. But जब पैसे निकालने की बारी आती थी, जब वो ट्रस्ट करने की बारी आती थी, तो नहीं इतना इजी होता था उनके लिए, एंड आई गेट इट, आई डोंट ब्लेम देम फॉर दैट। हमने रियलाइज किया कि इंडिया में जब तक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स का एंडोर्समेंट टीचर्स या डॉक्टर्स से नहीं आ रहा है, तब तक पेरेंट्स विल नॉट यूज इट।
Hmm.
एंड मतलब टीचर और डॉक्टर के थ्रू फिर पेरेंट को बेचना इज अ वेरी हेक्टिक जॉब ना, मतलब उसमें फिर आपको पूरी वो क्या कहते हैं, आपको चेन में हर किसी को पैसे ही देते रहने पड़ेंगे, आपके पास आपकी जेब में कुछ नहीं आएगा फिर। बट हमने देखा पेरेंट्स वर लेट डाउन बाय द सिस्टम, बाय
Hmm.
बाय स्टार्टअप्स। हमारे पास के भी स्टार्टअप्स ने थोड़ा सा लेट डाउन किया है, तो हमारे ऊपर ये रियलाइज की बहुत बड़ा ओनस है ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग का।
Hmm.
अगर कोई स्कूल मुझे अपना डेटा दे रहा है, अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट मुझे बैठ के अपना इतना सारा डेटा और सिस्टम मुझ पे एक्सेस दे रही है, तो मतलब मेरे को आई हैव टू लिव अप टू दैट, बिकॉज वो 2-3 लाख बच्चे जो मेरे को गवर्नमेंट भी देगी, उन 2-3 लाख बच्चों के भी फेसेस है, फैमिलीज हैं, आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट देम एंड देन स्टेप इन। So there is a lot of trust building. The trust deficit is enormous in this market. So
So
I
yeah,
think
and obviously there will be obviously there is a lot of risk also in there, right? So
absolutely, absolutely.
pre looking at your app, right? They have a trust factor, trust deficit because they want to understand who else is also using it, right? So how do I form a validation in my mind about it? And once you started using it, is it giving the right results? Is it not? Is it playing without biases when it is giving a result, right?
It's not just I think it's not just that. I think ये एक चीज तो है आपने जो बोली, डेफिनेटली है, पर आई थिंक जैसे हम जाते थे कंज्यूमर पायलट्स करने के लिए, एवरी फीडबैक वेल लाइक अ पंच इन द गट।
Right.
दे वुड आस्क अस कि अच्छा अब ये कब ऐप डाल रहे हो तुम, ये नया फीचर कब आएगा, ये कब आएगा, वो कब आएगा। पेरेंट्स रियली हैड द विलिंगनेस टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड सी वेयर वी वर कमिंग फ्रॉम,
Right.
पर वही आई थिंक द विलिंगनेस टू पे वाज वेरी लेस।
Correct.
इट वाज वेरी
That was one challenge. So now you've set your eyes on the validation of enterprise as well as the agencies which actually do clinical validation.
या आई मीन यू हैव टू कम थ्रू देम, बिकॉज वहां पे एक्चुअल सिस्टम्स चेंज होता है, क्योंकि हमारे बिजनेस में बहुत बड़ा पॉलिसी एंगल भी है। हमें आईपी स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन की पॉलिसी हमें अक्रॉस इंडिया हमें यूनिफॉर्म करनी पड़ेगी, तो कॉग्निटी जैसे प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाएंगे पूरा सिस्टम के अंदर, तो देयर इज अ वेरी बिग पॉलिसी गेम इन्वॉल्व, एंड वो आप बिना गवर्नमेंट के, बिना और थिंक टैंक्स के, यू कांट हेल्प, यू कांट वर्क विदाउट देम।
And you have
सो इट्स
mentor
बेटर।
you in that direction, right? Currently.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I mean, very grateful for all the guidance that is coming in.
Hmm.
पर आई थिंक सिस्टम्स, जैसे आप जो डिसेबिलिटी स्पेस में हो या किसी भी सोशल इम्पैक्ट स्पेस में हो, मेरे को लगता है विदाउट इंस्टीट्यूशनल एक्सेप्टेंस यू आर नथिंग इन द मार्केट। आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन बी एनी, बिकॉज यू हैव टू लिटरली स्केल इंडियाज चैलेंजेस, एंड इंडिया के चैलेंजेस स्केल करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव लाइक decision makers, policy makers up there supporting you.
Correct. And to do that, you need to be discovered by them. To get
Oh,
this,
absolutely.
have a lot of validation in the process.
Correct.
So it was a very nice conversation, right? There are a lot of questions which were answered just by a conversation we had with you. And it is a pleasure to have you. And I was very happy to have such young energy in a presentation with me, right? So what you can always align with is you will also get a number of support things, smaller support things as a friend from my side as well. So you will
Wow, thank you.
connect with on LinkedIn. So I will introduce you whenever I find some understanding. I also sit out of the UK. So if ever you are looking to expand to the UK, I can always introduce you to some people who can establish your business here. There are very happy people who do not ask you for anything else. They just help you to just get your business started and getting you into the events that you want to be with. Right. So, but that also at this stage, I don't recommend you, because in the end, once you're validated by one economy, you can always go to the second economy easily,
Exactly.
right? So get validated, and I wish you all the best in getting validated.
Yeah, of course. But this is so cool. I'm going to London tomorrow, so that's very, very cool, actually.
You are? So yes. So if you are coming over, so we could always, I could give you some numbers and some connections on LinkedIn. You can have a conversation with them. Always good to talk to them.
Oh, yeah.
Once that will be the startup approach to enter. So if you're looking for foundation money, like grants and all those things, they will also be able to introduce you to some accelerators here which are impact driven, right? So I will introduce you to two of them just after this meeting itself. So
Sure. Happy to.
request on LinkedIn. So accept that, and I'll introduce you to those guys, and they will be very happy to support you, right? Because the task of getting Indian businesses to the UK. So they will give you any friction in the process of getting you to the knowledge places where you want to be. Right. So pleasure to have you, Jhilika. It was amazing to have you on this call. And I urge my audience to get involved with this startup and help them grow with us. Right. So great, Jhilika. Pleasure to.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into Impact Tech Studio podcast. If you are inspired by Jhilika's story and Cognity's mission to revolutionize inclusive education, stay connected for more founder journeys and impact innovations. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. Until next time, keep driving change and creating impact.